Hello, friends. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Today is a very special day, and you know why? Because it's 14th of November and it's the day for the Children's Day. So I would like to take this opportunity to wish
Class 8
all
and
the
7 students,
students
please help them to
all over the world a
stand in
very
line.
happy Children's Day.
Good morning.
And
Good morning.
I would like to welcome you
Fine. How are you all?
to Rise and Shine Academy's Children's Day celebration. Today isn't just another event, it's a day dedicated to honoring the curiosity, creativity,
Height wise, make
and
them
of course,
stand.
the limitless energy
Make them
of
stand
our
up
students.
twice.
In this vlog, as you can see, the children are getting ready for their assembly. They are making a queue,
Raj and Imran, hey,
and
come here.
very soon the
Help
assembly
them to
will
make
start.
them stand.
So, in this vlog, I'm taking you behind the scene to show what our children are doing today. Their performances, their laughter, their excitement, and the little moments that truly make this day special for them. Children's Day reminds us why learning should be joyful and why every child deserves to feel valued, encouraged, and of course celebrated. Stay tuned with me till the end because there's a lot of fun and excitement on the way. সবাই সঙ্গে থেকো
The lines
এবং
are not
দেখতে
straight.
থাকো।
Not straight. See it is like this.
Students, voluntarily you can come and join over here to lead this today's assembly. I'd like to call Sabnam Khatun is here from Bodhgad campus. Anyone is there to lead the assembly? Sambhavi, please come over here. Divyan Swagat.
India well-being and prosperity, allow life and happiness. Hands down.
Step into the school. So after that, all the students they cheerfully say, "Good morning, smile alive, and all your laughter alive, and always dream big. And if you dream big, then only you can change the world." So today we are celebrating Children's Day because of the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So he was very fond of Children's Day to all of you. And may you always shine, always smile, and always stay as the wonderful star that you are.
पर हमारी तुम तो स्कूल नहीं जाते हो, एक दिन की तो छुट्टी ले लो, जाकर किसी पार्क में खेलो, सोने दो जी भरकर, हमको इतना क्यों सताते हो।
Thank you so much, Kivan Kedia, for your nice, beautiful poem or rhyme.
My school promise. Each day I will do my best and I will not do any less. My work will always please me and I will not accept amiss. I will color very carefully. My writing will be neat and I will not be happy till my work is complete. Thank you. This special day is dedicated to the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. He loved children very much. Nehruji wanted every children to grow up to be brave, wise and kind. Principal sir, teacher and all my dear friends. Today is 14 November and we are celebrating Children's Day. Today is the birth anniversary our first Prime Minister. He loved children a lot. He was also a freedom fighter. He said that children are the future of the nation. The children called him Chacha Nehru. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
आसमान में बिजली चमके, बादल जल बरसाए, नील गगन में सूरज देखा जो किरणें बिखराए, हमने देखा इंद्रधनुष।
University of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. We also know him as Chacha Nehru. And today's day is so much special for our class 8 12 present over here. Today is 14 November and we all are celebrating the Children's Day. So today we are celebrating because today is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and we also call him Chacha Nehru. He was very fond of children. All of us are here to celebrate this Children's Day together and enjoy. So first of all, I will now thank all my teachers that to make this Children's Day very
তো এদিকে আমাদের বাচ্চাদের লাঞ্চ রেডি হচ্ছে লাঞ্চের জন্য। আর মিঠুদা আমাদের রান্না করছে, তার মানে বুঝতেই পারছো যে টেস্ট কী লেভেলের হবে। যাই হোক, খুব সুন্দর রান্না করে মিঠুদা। আর আমরা সেই রান্না মানে এই বাচ্চাদেরকে খাওয়াবো আর কি। লাঞ্চটা আজকে ফ্রাইড রাইস, মিক্সড পনিরের সবজি, চাটনি, পাঁপড়, এবং এই সব জিনিস আজকের মেনুতে রয়েছে। সো ওইদিকে বাচ্চারা নিজেদের পারফরমেন্স দিয়ে যাচ্ছে, এদিকে মিঠুদা তাদের জন্য রান্না করছে। আর বাকি তোমরা দেখতে থাকো। ওনায় কি করেছো?
পাচিকে ডেকে বলল মাঝি আয় তো জানে নাচি, পাচিকে ডেকে বলল মাঝি আয় তো জানে নাচি। ডান্স অলসো ছোট্ট মতন কাচি, পাচির হাতে ছিল একটা ছোট্ট মতন কাচি। সে বলল তার চেয়ে বড়, সে বলল তার চেয়ে বড় গোপটুটি তোর চাচি। আয় আয় গোপটুটি তোর চাচি, হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ গোপটুটি তোর চাচি। সেই না গেল গোপ চাচতে, সে বড় মৌমাছি। ওরে যেই না গেল গোপ চাচতে, সে বড় মৌমাছি। দিল একটা হাঁচি হাঁচি। তবে বিনা তবে বিনা সপ্তম সুরে বাতবে তান, তবে বিনা সপ্তম সুরে বাতবে।
And you are the future of our country, isn't it? So now, if you don't study properly, if you don't behave properly, if you don't remain in discipline, if you don't learn discipline from school, it's very difficult to learn when you leave the school. So from the initial stage, you need to obey your parents, you need to obey your teachers, and you need to obey your... That's very good. Come on. So let's start.
काठी काठी पे घोड़ा, घोड़े की धुन पे जो मारा हथौड़ा, दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा तुम उठा के दौड़ा।
So come on, sing with me, okay? If you know the song, and this song is very famous, so everyone must know.
चौक में था नाई, घोड़े जी की नाई ने हजामत जो लगाई। लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा, घोड़े के दुम पे जो मारा दौड़ा, दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा तुम उठा के दौड़ा। नी तेरी मोड़नी को मोड़ ले गए, बाकी जो बचा था काले छोड़ ले गए। को मोड़
That's very good. Thank you so much for joining.
KG2 and class 1 students will be sitting in the first bench. Rest of the students kindly come this side, ground side. There will be some. Now the students are waiting, eagerly waiting for the ice cream. Let's have the ice cream.
And we have our DJ Johnson.
Send your hands above. Enjoy this fullest this day. क्या किया?
Why are you hiding your face?